I couldn't ever guess that a toilet will change my life completely, and that now I will feel like a peasant every time I will walk in to a non-smart toilet bathroom. Hi everyone, I'm Valentine Lewis, and today I am reviewing the Smart Toilet by Horo, the T38P model. And this thing changed the entire way I look at bathrooms. So guys, let's get started with a deep review. When you think about upgrading your home, a toilet probably isn't the first thing that comes to your mind, but honestly, it should be. I used to think a smart toilet was one of those luxury items that you only see in the high-end hotels and only in Japan. And it's all nice to look at it as you're traveling or on the TV, but it's really unnecessary at your own house until I actually tried one. And that completely changed how I think about comfort, hygiene, and design. The truth is that the bathroom is one of the most used places in any house out there, but also the one we tend to upgrade the least. We spend money on smart lighting, smart doorbells, even smart fridges or robotic cleaners, but what about the one thing we use so many times a day? And that's what led me to the Horo T38P Smart Toilet. And after living with it, I can honestly say this has been one of the most life-changing upgrades I have ever made to my house. This model is designed with both comfort and hygiene in mind. It's a one-piece smart toilet with a built-in flush tank. It has an integrated bidet system and a 12-inch rough-in that fits most standard bathrooms. It's ADA compliant, meaning the height is perfect for everyone, especially if you have knee or back pain, like I do. The design is so very sleek, it's compact, and it blends beautifully into any modern spaces with no exposed pipes. So no bulky attachments, just clean lines and functionality. Now the experience starts the moment you walk in. The lid opens automatically like to greet you. It's completely hands-free and it gently closes when you are done. Then the sensor-based flush activates on its own, so it feels surprisingly intuitive. And since hygiene is the key theme here, the Horo T38P is designed to keep things not just cleaner, but safer. Now, let's talk about one of the most unique features of this smart toilet, the foam shield. If you've never heard of it before, here's what it actually does. The foam shield creates a soft layer of foam inside the bowl after sitting down. It works like a gentle protective barrier that completely changes how flushing feels, and it solves one of the biggest bathroom annoyances, splashing. When the foam forms, it covers the surface of the water, so when you flush, there are no messy splashes or droplets flying all around. Everything stays contained, clean, and quiet. But it's not just about comfort, it's about hygiene too. That foam layers helps block odor, bacteria, and any fine particles from spreading into the air. It keeps your bathroom fresher, cleaner, and a lot more sanitary overall. At the same time, the foam coats the sides of the bowl, which means waste doesn't stick to the ceramic, so stains don't build up as fast, and you don't have to scrub as often. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. No splashes, no smells, no constant cleaning. The foam shield takes something as simple as flushing and turns it into a clean, hygienic, and actually pleasant experience. And this also ties into one of the major benefits of this model. You clean less often. That means reduced cleaning frequency, less effort, fewer harsh cleaners, and more time back in your day. Now, about the flush performance. This thing is powerful. It's built with a 100-watt motor and an anti-clog channeling that's rated for MAP 1000G, which is as strong as it gets. And even with that power, it's still environmentally conscious thanks to its dual flush system, which uses 1 gallon for a light flush and 1.28 gallons for a full flush. So not only do you get flawless performance, you also get better water efficiency, saving water with every use while keeping the bowl spotless. And if you ever lose power, there is an emergency flush option that works with a backup battery box, so you are never stuck. Now, let's talk about the part that truly redefines hygiene, the integrated bidet system. This is where technology and comfort meet. You can customize every single thing: water temperature, pressure, and even the nozzle position. Whether you want a gentle rinse or a more thorough cleanse, it adapts to your preference instantly. And Horo made sure that only fresh, filtered, heated water touches your skin, never recycled or shared. That separation between flush water and cleansing water is essential for hygiene, and it's one of the details that really sets this smart toilet apart. The self-cleaning nozzle disinfects itself automatically before and after every single use, and it's also UV sterilized to eliminate bacteria. Plus, because the nozzle is removable, you can clean it manually when needed. A small but important feature that ensures long-term sanitation. Now, all that plus it even has a warm air dryer. Now you completely eliminate the need for toilet paper. It's better for your skin, better for hygiene, and better for the environment. Every little detail of the Horo T38P feels thought out. The heated seat has 4 temperature settings, and when paired with the built-in deodorization system, it makes the whole experience feel fresh, warm, and clean every single time. There is also a soft ambient night light that makes late night trips easy without blinding brightness. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in a daily life. And the whole system operates quietly. Even the self-cleaning and drying cycles are whisper level, under 50 decibels. Now back to the topic of hygiene. Horo designed the T38P to reduce direct contact, splashing, and contamination from the start. You never have to touch the lid or handle. The internal coating minimizes bacteria buildup. This is what a truly hygienic bathroom looks like, one that takes care of itself and keeps the air, the surfaces, and the user experience as clean as possible. And I also have to highlight how comfortable this is for anyone with mobility issues. Because it's ADA height, sitting down and standing up is much easier. I have a crazy back pain, so I am telling you from an experience. The elongated ball and ergonomic seat design relieve pressure on the knees and hips, which can make a surprising difference if you are older or recovering from surgery, or just want more comfort in everyday use. After using the Horo T38P Smart Toilet for a while, I can confidently say it's not just an appliance. It's an upgrade in quality of life. No more splashing, no more touching dirty handles, no more scrubbing stains or using harsh cleaners. The foam shield keeps things fresh, the bidet ensures personal hygiene, and the automated functions makes the entire process touch-free and effortless. And what makes it even better is that Horo stands behind their product. They are giving a 1-year warranty and a lifetime after-sales support, so you know it's built to last. It's one of those products that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. It's hygienic, efficient, and intelligently designed to make your day-to-day routine feel cleaner, simpler, and more comfortable. So if you've been on the fence about switching from a traditional toilet to a smart one, this is your sign. Because once you experience the Horo T38P with its foam shield splash protection, better water efficiency, and reduced cleaning frequency, you will understand why so many people call it a life-changing upgrade. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments to this video of mine. Please let me know what type of a toilet you are using. Please let me know your impression from the Horo T38P model. Horo is actually offering way more options and so many different models, so you're so very welcome to go check them out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as I'm going to pin it to be the very first comment at the comment section down below to this video. Guys, another really important thing, it is Black Friday. So obviously there are amazing sales going on right now on Horo. So guys, be so very sure to check down below at the description box all the possible information about sales, coupon codes, discount codes, Black Friday promotions, and just in general how to pay less and get the same smart toilet as I got, or maybe even better. Maybe you would like to upgrade your model and get something even better to beat me up. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. What do you think? What would you like to do? So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I truly hope you enjoyed it. I truly hope you learned something new. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO Valentine.